Hello there, this is GH101 and we're going to look at getting connected to the CS server from home. There's two things we want to do from home, and I'm going to do the first one, kind of the easier one now in this first video, which will be short. Alright, if you go off the CS page, this getting started is much about getting started with the software that you need. So I want to go down to the logging into the CS server remotely and transferring files. Okay, so I can transfer files between my computer and the CS server if I have the right program to do that. I'm going to say you can use FileZilla is what you'll use unless you know something about this and want to use something else. FileZilla is a program that will work on Mac, Windows, or Linux. Okay, so it'll look pretty much the same. So on my Mac, I would click the download and go through the usual business to install that. I already have it installed. And so I'll just show you what that looks like. Or let's go ahead and delete it, so we'll get the full effect. Alright, I don't need the Pro, I just need the free one. Go ahead and install. This is what it looks like on a Mac. So if you've never installed anything on your Mac, then this is what it looks like. Alright, now it opens up, that's fine. And I will wait to show you on the next video about what to actually do, and that'll look the same whether you're on Windows or Mac. So go on to the video that says what to do next.